How to make money on Freelancer as a Facebook ad strategist. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the business owners or the visitors of this platform. So for example, if I was a business owner coming to this platform to hire a Facebook ad strategist, I will just go to hire freelancers in here. Then I'm going to search by skill, or I'm going to search by skills categories to see all of the skills available in here. So let's give it a few seconds to load, and then we will be able to see the skills. Just wait for it, and here it is. We have the website, IT and software category, and by scrolling down you will see the writing and content category, design media, data entry, engineering, and here it is, sales and marketing category. So let's search for Facebook ads, and here we have ad planning, advertising, agency, Instagram ads, influencer, HR, healthcare, financial Facebook verifications. So here it is, we have Facebook ads or Facebook marketing. So let's go with Facebook ads to see all of the available freelancers in here. So as you can see, hire expert Facebook ads expert for any job, and by scrolling down you will be able to see their profiles. So let's click on see more ads experts, and I'm showing you these profiles, guys, just to let you know what you're going to learn in today's video. So let's check this man's profile. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a profile like the one we're going to see now. I'm going to show you how you can add a profile picture to your account, how you can add a cover photo, and a profile picture. Then I'm going to show you how you can add the description to your profile as well, how to make sure to verify all of these verifications. They're very important. Clients sometimes lean to work more with the freelancers who have all of these verifications in check more than the others. And I'm going to show you also how you can enter your hourly rate. Then I'm going to show you how you can enter your description, where you're going to talk about your skill, the skills you offer or the jobs you offer, the services you can offer, how to talk a little bit about yourself and your skills and those stuff. Also, I'm going to show you how you can add your top skills, and it's allowed in this platform to add more than one. You can add up to 20 skills. So let's see this man, how many skills he has. So here we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 21. So he has a lot of skills. I don't know how did he do that. You're just allowed to add, you can't add up to 20. Here 5, let's start counting again, and 10, 15, 20, 25, 26. So he has 26 skills. I guess you can add that if you're here, if you're not new, if you are old in the platform. Anyways, I'm going to show you also how you can add your portfolio as well, because you know that clients can't hire someone without checking the kind of service he does. And when it comes to reviews, you cannot do anything about them. They're just for clients, but the one thing you can do to improve them is to deliver a great service. So let's close this profile and let's proceed to show you how you can create a one like that. So let's go to Freelancer in here and click on earn money button, this one, earn money freelancing. Then make sure to fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email and password. Then click on join Freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to drop my username, my password, then login. And let's give it a few seconds to redirect us to our dashboard. And here, this is your dashboard. It's where you can control everything about your account. And in your top right, you have this button where you can control everything about your account and your finances as well. So here you can check your balance, you can add funds, withdraw funds, you can see your transaction history, your financial dashboard, your payment sharing. You can check your support if you've encountered any problems, or if you want to invite friends, or if you want to log out as well. And by scrolling up, you can see your profile, your membership, your account analytics, your bid insights, and your settings. So let's go to view profile in here. And as you can see, the profile, our profile looks pretty empty. You don't have anything in it. So here, the first thing you need to do is to edit your profile. And you will need first to verify your email. As you can see, email verification is required. Then make sure to add a profile picture. It's very important. No one would like to work with a freelancer who doesn't even have a profile picture. Then add a cover photo as well. And when you're done with those two, then you proceed to the verifications. And as I mentioned before, make sure to have all of them in check. Connect your Facebook account, verify your phone number, verify your payment method, verify your identity through a government issued ID check and a proof of address, and join, if you can, the elite group of the best freelancers. And after you're done with the verifications, then you proceed to enter in your hourly rate, then enter your professional headline, then you proceed to enter in your description or the summary. It's where you're going to talk about yourself. Then you proceed to enter in your top skills. In here, let's remove this one and then add your top skills. Facebook ads. And then scroll down, click on save to save those changes. And after you're done with that, then it's time to make some money. So click on browse, click on projects. Then you will be able to see all of the available jobs and apply for it. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.